Good evening once again, YouTubers and fellow diecast collectors. Today we'll be doing another unboxing and review, and this one is the Ford Ranchero, which is part of the 50th anniversary Hot Wheels. This is the black card of the 50th anniversary. So this set has 6 cars: the Bone Shaker, Twin Mill, Roger Dodger, 68 Dodge Dart, 64 Impala, and 65 Ford Ranchero. And by the way, this also has a chase card, which is the gold. I think that one is the Camaro. So here's the box, the card. So I'll open this one. Kindly wait a minute. So here's the truck right now. So this one looks very good in its matte paint. Matte and gold paint job. So the windshield is gold, transparent and gold, so you can still see the gold chrome interior. The interior is pretty well detailed. You can see there, you can still see the steering wheel, the molding of the chairs, the outline of the chairs. So you can see the engine on this one. Look at the side of the car, and it says 50th anniversary here, and the Hot Wheels logo. So it doesn't have rear headlight tampos, but I really dig the matte black finish on the paint on this one, and the gold pinstripes on the side. So this one has the standard 10-spoke Hot Wheels rims. The base is also gold and says 65 Ranchero. So that's it for the unboxing and review of the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary Ford Ranchero. Keep on collecting. God bless and thank you. Bye.